puddles, of course, as always.
Ah, yes, because this is clean.
Yeah, and I'll rewash it. I rewash it anyway for this one before, but that'll save me from mud. It is still a museum car.
So can't see anything behind us.
No.
You have to use these. Your side visibility is kind of okay. This seat does not recline. No, it is one complete piece. Yep. Does it move forward and back?
It does.
And that is as far back as it goes.
Let me move this bag. Now try it.
Oh, get a little bit more. Yeah. So this is a hybrid diesel. As the good doctor says, a high-powered prototype never intended for mass production. So, starting procedure is normal?
Yes, just like just a normal Volkswagen proximity key. And then foot on brake on a modern Volkswagen.
Okay. Gas tank's coming up. Currently the engine is not running.
Your parking brake is set, push it in.
Okay.
And then pull all the way back to sport, which is all the way back.
All the way back. EV mode currently not available.
Yep. We're driving this like a regular hybrid. It should say S1.
Does this steering wheel adjust?
It does not, because prototype. And it does have aircon, does have AC.
Ooh.
So we don't sweat to death. In Celsius. Of course. Only sold in Germany and Austria.
Alright, so right now we are running under electricity, but I'm showing no revs on the tachometer, but it kind of feels like the engine is running back there.
It's not running, you'll hear it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you give it the beans, it'll clatter on.
Alright, I'm gonna have just a... Okay, these tires beneath us are about that wide.
Yeah.
Very hard tires.
Low rolling resistance, very easy.
Yeah. What does this feel like? Alright, this thing feels like a Jetta with the bushings that are old and cracked, and it needs shocks. It needs new shocks and struts. I am going A speed. If I press the accelerator pedal down, it there's the gasoline engine.
Diesel. Yes.
Whoa, that thing kicks on.
Yeah, I hear it.
All right. So, wow, it's like a golf cart going back there. So, do we dare go out on the road?
Yeah. Just
boy.
Watch the mirrors. They will be. That's the hard part. The little electronic mirrors.
Okay, there's like a weird sort of fisheye thing. Mm-hmm. It's normal aspect ratio right here, but it gets really narrow back here. So what you see out of the corner of those mirrors is what's behind you. I am clear. You know what? I'm going to make sure my headlights are on. It sounds like something's broken back there.
Yeah. It's because the battery levels are too low, so it's running on kind of both. It's
yeah.
Motor assist.
It does have a very Prius type. Yeah, he looked at us. Like, the heck is that thing? So it's a very Prius type animation going on right here, which I find distracting. It's literally a Garmin, like early 90s Garmin thing. I think I should get in the left lane here. No one there, I'm coming. I wonder if this guy's gonna attempt to jump it.
I think you should probably be in line.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not paying attention.
Wait a minute, there's gears in this.
Yeah, it's a 6-speed sequential.
It's
Volkswagen.
Okay. It's even though it's a hybrid with definite gears, and I don't know if I'm allowed to block the intersection in this state.
You'll make it.
All right. So sorry, car. I'm hitting the bam bam. I'm hitting those.
Tires are barely on it.
Damn.
Oh, okay.
Okay, taking the right turn. He's taking that wide. Do I have a green? Yes, I do. Here I go. I'm so glad it's an automatic.
Yeah.
There's the gasoline, or there's diesel kicking in, and there it turned off again. So it just does its own thing back there.
It's charging and recycling, and it's when you need it to boost, it turns on and charges the generator, charges the batteries rather. Turn right here.
Turning right here. It has heavy steering.
It's not power assist.
Oh really? This is a manual steering. Okay, and since they're teeny, skinny wheels and tires, you're not really having much friction with the road, as is the point. It's easy to turn. Alignment's a bit off. The thumb rests, it's like I get 2 fingers here and 1 on top. I can either hold it up here. The steering wheel itself is an oval, if you had looked at it on a cross section. So the steering wheel goes quite far. So it's weird to wrap your hands around it, and then it gets thicker as it gets to the bottom, and then thinner again. So
yeah, there's a lot of Volkswagen parts bin stuff in this, but that's not parts bin. That's a bespoke.
See, it starts feeling like an electric engine, that you think you have that torque, and then the torque cuts out, the diesel engine kicks in back again, and then you get power again, but now it's rattly power. Car info, media, hey, nav. New destination, my destination. Favorites, just take me to the map. It's not doing it. This is like early 2000s style, touchy, pressy, dad style things. Oh, look at it load. I can see through the mirror, even though I can't see him. The guy crossing the street is like looking at us like, this car doesn't make any sense. There's not really much going on with this interior, apart from this storage bin, a cup holder that just holds like a tiniest espresso. It would hold like a Starbucks double shot. That's it. There's plenty of leg room. It has no lumbar support. This would kill your back. You would need like 2 pillows right underneath it. It is not comfortable.
The passenger seat is fixed. It's in tandem. I am not level with you.
I can make this. So we're doing establishing shots up here.
We'll do it right up here.
Okay, so that's where we'll go.
In front of the shop. It's easier and cleaner.
You know what? In traffic, it's not as like if you trust these TV screens. Then yeah, do you want me to do it here or there?
We can do it there, in front of the museum. There's a gentleman's car in front of the museum. Or we can do it over here, in this little parking area. No one's over here today. That'd be okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. That's where you use to take pictures for stuff. Yeah, so just stay in the pavement if you can. Yeah, try backing up on this thing. It's not fun.
Yeah, because you want this thing pointed down, and there's no way to adjust those cameras. And also, there's no park.
It tells you on the mirror.
Oh.
Just for reverse. And then in your gauge cluster.
Yeah, there's no way. I have to.
Yeah, I know. So when you open the door, it sets the parking brake immediately. So we'll release that now.
I still can't see behind me, and I can't see the wheels because they're inborn.
Yep.
And that door is high above me. Okay.
ladder. Stop.
This device will switch to standby in 30 seconds or just leave.
Yeah, I don't know why it does that.
Yeah. Thank you,
All right.
Rex.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you to
All right.
Lane Motor Museum for letting me drive the car that doesn't exist.